वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all. This is from our home garden, from around 3 plants, and these are the chilies what we have harvested. So I am making chili pickle. So for that we need this chilies, then around 5 of lime juice we have to remove. Then we need some around 2 tablespoons. For this quantity we need around 2 tablespoons of mustard, that is yellow mustard powder. I have to grind this to a powder. Then turmeric powder around 1 teaspoon, but I am going to add this raw turmeric. You can add turmeric powder, some garlic paste and some ginger paste and some asafoetida, that is hing, and salt to taste. So let's start. Cut this into how you want. First you remove this all, and then we will chop this and then take out the juice also. So my juice is ready, chilies are cut. Now let's take some mustard oil. Let's add our ginger garlic paste. So first I'll add ginger, then I'll add our garlic, then we'll fry this nicely. We'll add our chilies, I'm doing it on low flame. Now we'll add our mustard, yellow mustard powder, that is around 2 tablespoons. Mix all this nicely. Turmeric, that is I am adding the turmeric which I made into paste, the raw turmeric. Now we'll add our asafoetida. Asafoetida is like how much you want. That is our hing. Around 1 teaspoon you can add. Now you have to add salt to taste. Then will be lime juice. So even when you make this, and if you are out like a short of chilies, then you can always use from this. for your recipe. Now we'll add a lime juice. Mix all this nicely. And cook for a few minutes and it is done. So cook for this 5 minutes and we will close this then. And here it is, our Goan chilies pickle is ready. So try this recipe and now we will store this and then you can consume how you want. Add for your side dish if you love chilies, or you can eat it in your paratha, or you can use it, as I have said, whenever you need chilies and you are falling short of chilies, then yes, you can use this. Thank you.
And here it is, wonderful, tasty and spicy Goan chili pickle from our home. Thank you.